In our previous class, we have discussed the quadratic equation solved by factorization. Now we discuss a new method, that is completing the square. The quadratic equation solved by completing the square. Two examples given here. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Another example, 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. You must know that two identity a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. When the middle term is positive or the x term is positive, then express the given equation into a plus b whole square form. If the middle term is negative or the x term is negative, then express the given equation into a minus b whole square form. In the first example, the middle term or the x term, which is minus 7x, negative. So, express the given equation into a minus b whole square form. In the second example, the middle term x is positive. So, express it into the a plus b whole square form. Now, try to solve the given equation. There are three methods to solve it. First method is multiplication method. In this method, you have to find the 4a value. 4a value means the coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and the constant term is c. So, here a is equal to 2. Then 4a is equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8. Now multiply 4a value, which is 8, on both sides of the equation. 8 into 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 into 8. Imply that 16x square minus 56x plus 24 equal to 0. Imply that write the first term 16x square as a square term, which is equal to 4x whole square. Now write the middle term in the product of three numbers, that is 2ab form. 2 into a means first value 4x, then third number 2 into 4x, 8x, 8x into 7 equal to 56x. Write the middle term in the product of three numbers, which is equal to the middle term. Then plus 24 equal to 0. Imply that. Now add and subtract the square of third number, that is 7 square, in the left side. 4x whole square minus 2 into 4x into 7 plus 7 square minus 7 square plus 24 equal to 0. Now write this point to this point is a perfect square, that is a minus b whole square, and 4x minus 7 whole square minus 7 square minus 49 plus 24 equal to 0. Imply that 4x minus 7 whole square equal to plus 49 minus 24, which is equal to 25. Imply that 4x minus 7 is equal to 25 root over, write plus minus 5 here. You have to write plus minus 5 both, as you have to find the two value of x, one value taking positive, another value taking negative. Implies that 4x is equal to plus 7 plus minus 5. Implies that x is equal to 7 plus minus 5 by 4. Now find two value of the x. Suppose first value alpha, 7 plus 5 by 4, 12 by 4 equal to 3. Second value is beta, 7 minus 5 by 4, 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. This is the first process, multiplication process. Second process, division process. Write the same equation, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Now divide the coefficient of x square in each term. Coefficient x square is 2, divide 2 on each term. 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Implies that 2 cancel. X square minus 7 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Implies that now find the half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is equal to 7 by 2. Half means multiply 1 by 2, which is equal to 7 by 4. Then first find the half of the coefficient x. Then add and subtract the square of half of the coefficient of x. Add and subtract half of the square of the half of the coefficient of x. That means add and subtract square of 7 by 4. X square minus 7 by 2x. Add and subtract 7 by 4 square. 7 by 4 square and subtract 7 by 4 square plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Implies that this is the perfect square. A square, write in a minus b whole square form. That is x square, write 2ab from 2 into, in place of a write x, in place of b write 7 by 4. If you multiply 3, which is equal to minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 square minus 7 by 4 is equal to 49 by 16 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Write this point is a minus b whole square. That means x minus 7 by 4 whole square equal to, take the two term the right side, the minus changes to plus 49 by 16 and plus changes to minus 3 by 2. Implies that x minus 4 by 7 by 4 whole square equal to, subtract the two term, LCM 16 divide 16 1, that means 49, 16 divide 2 8, 8 into 3 24, which is equal to 25 by 16. Implies that x minus 7 by 4 equal to root over of 25 by 16 equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. Write plus or minus both. Then x is equal to, take the negative term to the right side, which is equal to positive 7 by 4 plus or minus 5 by 4. Then first value, suppose alpha equal to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4, 7 plus 5 by 4 equal to 12 by 4, 3. Second value beta, 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 equal to 7 minus 5 by 4, 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. In the first process, the two value of x 3 minus 2 in the second process, two value of x 3 minus 2. Another process, third process. Solve the same equation, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. In this process, divide the coefficient of x square in each term, the 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. 2 to cancel, x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now, same, find the half of the coefficient of x. Half of the coefficient of x means 7 by 2 into 1 by 2 and 7 by 4. Then remove the middle term, this one, then subtract half of the coefficient x from x, take square, then subtract the square of half of the coefficient of x, 7 by 4 square, then 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now x minus 7 by 4 whole square, take the two term right side, that is positive 7 by 4 square minus 3 by 2, imply that x minus 7 by 4 whole square equal to this one 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. Then x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equal to LCM 16, 49 minus 24 equal to 25 by 16. Imply that x minus 7 by 4 equal to 25 by 16 root over, which is equal to plus or minus 5 by 4. Imply that x is equal to 7 by 4 plus or minus 5 by 4. First value or alpha is equal to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. 7 plus 5, 12 by 4, 3. Second value beta equal to 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. 7 minus 5 by 4 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. In the three process, the value of x same. So you can solve the quadratic equation in any one of the three processes, which is easier for you. We can find the another problem, but in the next video you will see the rest problem. Thank you for watching it.